Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to tell you a story that's very close to my heart. It's a story about love, care, and the dangers of making decisions in haste. Are you ready? Once upon a time, in a quiet village, there lived a kind-hearted Brahmin named Dev Sharma. He and his wife were overjoyed when they were blessed with a beautiful baby boy. Their hearts were filled with love and happiness. On that very same day, nearby, a female mongoose gave birth to a little baby mongoose. But, as fate would have it, the mother mongoose passed away, leaving the baby mongoose all alone in the world. When the Brahmin and his wife saw the helpless little mongoose, they felt great pity for him. Being kind-hearted, the Brahmin's wife decided to adopt the baby mongoose and raise him as her own son. She cared for both the baby mongoose and her son with equal love. They were like brothers, playing and growing up together, always happy in each other's company. But deep down, the Brahmin's wife knew that the mongoose was still an animal by nature. She always kept a watchful eye on him, fearing that one day his instincts might cause harm. One day, the Brahmin's wife needed to fetch water from the well. She carefully put her son to bed and reminded her husband to watch over them both. But the Brahmin, being a bit careless, left the house without telling his wife, leaving the little mongoose and their son alone. As fate would have it, a poisonous snake entered the house while the two were alone. The snake, with its deadly intentions, started moving towards the Brahmin's innocent child. But the brave little mongoose, seeing the danger, did not hesitate. He knew he had to protect his brother. The mongoose fought with all his might, biting and tearing the snake into pieces, his mouth and claws covered in blood. The threat was gone, but at a cost. Proud of his bravery, the mongoose waited outside, eager to show his mother what he had done. But when the Brahmin's wife returned and saw the blood on the mongoose, she feared the worst. Without thinking, her heart filled with fear and anger, she assumed the mongoose had harmed her child. In her panic, she threw the heavy water pitcher at the mongoose, severely injuring him. She ran inside, only to find her son sleeping peacefully, unharmed. Then she saw the dead snake near the cradle, realizing that the mongoose had saved her child, not harmed him. She was heartbroken. When her husband returned, she told him everything, and they both were filled with sorrow. They realized that in her haste, she had hurt the very creature who had saved their son's life. They learned a valuable lesson that day. And so, the Brahmin and his wife learned that we should never make decisions in haste. It's important to think before we act, especially when it involves those we love. Remember, kids, always think carefully before making decisions. And never forget to appreciate those who care for us, just like the mongoose cared for his brother. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tales of wisdom. See you next time.